Introducing the new and improved Benro KH video tripod kits. These kits are ideal for video cameras, mirrorless cameras, and DSLRs. There are two models of the KH collection, the KH25P and the KH26P. Both feature an updated head with a continuous pan drag adjustment, providing you with the smoothest camera movements. And with the added spring stop pin on the quick release plate, you can prevent rotation of the camera gear. Great for DSLR shooters.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my yoga class today. It is a beautiful day and we are going to have a great time. We're going to start with some stretching.
These tripods feature a 60mm bowl and head-mounted bubble level to ensure proper alignment for accurate camera placement and level panning. The integrated fluid tilt and adjustable pan allow for smooth camera movements, so you can nail down that perfect shot. An interchangeable pan arm allows both right and left-handed use. The KH25P reaches a maximum height of 61 inches, and the KH26P reaches up to 72 inches. These sturdy and lightweight tripods allow you to handle the camera comfortably. Twist-lock levers on the dual-stage leg system allow you to make specific height adjustments rapidly and easily. The mid-level spreader provides additional stability, while the rubber and stainless steel spikes allow the tripod to be placed on almost any terrain. When folded up, these tripods are easy to transport, and when it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit in the included padded soft case and you're on your way.
Great job today, everyone. That wraps up the class. Thank you so much for joining.
The Benro KH series tripods have the durability you need, with the versatility and portability you've always wanted. So what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more product videos, tips and tricks, service videos, influencer content, you name it, subscribe to our YouTube page.